是逢人来，我只为束缚而来。我看见空，至于台上的灯光，闪烁的彩虹，爱却无边无际，双只手有空，缘只有辫子为白了线。你不在的心，一样跳的情节，只不过只上了无情为我要新世界，爱空是否不在管理有进行时间，就在频频动完没动手跪在这里，不必再在哭泣。
Good morning. How's it going, everyone? What happened? Today high is 890. We are at 866. Our resistance level right now at 875. How's it going, everyone? Good morning. Hope my mic's working. That is 15 minutes. Let me go back to 1 minute. Lost everything. What is going on? Yeah, I have not do anything yet today. I have not done anything yet today. Be patient. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, really? How's it going? What's slow? How's it going, man? Besides, you lost everything. Besides that, your weekend. Super tight. We stuck at this 865 right now. 865, 874. Down here we're looking at 850. We're looking at 15 points up and down. 15 points to the next resistance level, and 15 points to the support level. Again, I'm trading with my new 6 account again today. 6 account. Copying 6 account at the same time. Super tight, you guys. Nobody wants to buy, nobody wants to sell. So what is our job? Our job is to sit and wait, right? All the big banks, the big guys don't want to do anything. Oh no, man. Crystal, man, you scare me, man. You scare me, my friend. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. We'll be okay, man. Yep, you guys. Our jobs right now is to sit and wait. I know it's hard to do, but man, really, if we want to keep our account and survive another day to trade, then we have no choice but sit on our hands and wait. Look at, we are stuck at 65. Down there we're looking at what 850. At 50 up there we're looking at 75 perhaps. 15 points to the resistance and 15 points to the support. Oh wait, no movement right now. Man, I have not traded my Topstep accounts for a long time now. I may come back and trade because I think with Topstep they will not allow you to have your account inactive for 30 days. So I guess I have to make a trade or something with my Topstep accounts. I still have 2-3 accounts with Topstep, the funded account with Topstep. Stay out, stay away. Yeah, that's what I want to do too. 67% of you want to stay out. Too tight. Right now. 33% of you saying that let go. Out. Big moves. getting to that support right now, 850. If it breaks that, 850 will go to the VWAP. The VWAP at what? 15? Why my VWAP is different? Oh, they broke that. Oh, wow, wow. Broke the 850. If 850 hold. Watching for the 60 down there. I'm watching for 45. Here we go, you guys. Oh, come on. What the? I thought I got it. Okay. Very, very tight price range now. Think you go again. I'm watching for that 50 to hold out, that our resistance level. Yeah, almost to the VWAP, push it back up again. I think I should not take trade right now. I thought I got it. Minimum 10 points. Look like we holding at 45 though. This is where she's going to push it back up. Watching maybe perhaps long if she push it through that 50 to go to 60, 65 again. Watch for that 50 to break to go long. But I'm risking 10 point though. Let me see. Oh, I like that. 14 seconds. I'll wait for this candle to close. It has to close above that 50 for me to go long. And my stop is super tight though. It's just like, man, it goes so fast. Here we go. Waiting. Waiting. 45 has to hold. 50 has to hold. So it can go higher. Doesn't look like one to hold, but we'll see. 25 seconds before this candle to close. 850. I like that. My stop loss in place. My take profit in place. Go! Let's free trade now, you guys. Let go, baby. Hold your horses. Go! One more push. Ah, she did. It's really good trade. I guess I am. That's fine. Awesome, you guys. I'm done. See you mañana. 6 accounts, man. You guys see the top 2 account right there? So I only need what, $50 to pass those 2 accounts, but I'm no hurry to pass in those the top 2 accounts. And you see the top 2 accounts at 0. I only need a couple more dollars, $50 more to meet that $3,000 on each of those 2 accounts. But I'm in no hurry, so I'm trading the next 6 accounts. I still have like 10 or 15 account to trade, so. Oh, good trade. I guess I'm done. 138 times 6. But it's not about. Yeah, I think trading is not about making money, right? Yeah, in a way it is about making money, but it is about playing the game. Playing the game well. That's what trading all about. Yeah, of course we want to make money, but it's about playing the game well. That's the bottom line, you guys. Yep, trading is not about money. Of course, we all know that it's about the money, right? But this is about getting into your office and saying that almost speak Vietnamese. It's about getting to your office. It's about, okay, how am I going to play the game well today? Man, screaming short, man. Playing the game right and play the game well. $65 has to hold. Or go back retesting that 50 again, but it's really tight right now, honestly. It's really tight, very, very tight. No, I'm not saying that. You know that. You know exactly what I'm trying to say. See, but the thing is this, man, I know this. It's from my personal experience, right? If I come in and I say, oh yeah, I have to make $1,000 a day. I have to like put yourself in that place, you know, put yourself in that kind of situation. It's very, very tough to make money. Of course, we know that. We all know that this is the business, right? This is about us trying to make money. That's the bottom line. Nobody doubt that. But I'm saying that our mentality, you know, when we get into our office in the morning and go, okay, I know that I have to make money. I know that I'm not going to blow up my account. But the thing is this, I turned that around saying that, yes, I know, even though I knows all that, I have to play the game well, you know? That's the mindset right now for me. Of course, I love to cash a whole bunch of account and trade 20 account at the same time. But if we put ourselves to the situation saying that we have to make this much, we have to this like a lot of pressure on us, then it's very, very difficult to make money or to win for that matter. So I just turned that around with my mindset, saying, okay, I know exactly what I have to do. Bottom line is I have to play the game well. Yeah. If I short now, my stop is like 68, so I'm watching for that. See if 62 hold. See how. But my hard stops is like 68, 69. But again, I will get out at 65, risking 2-3 points to make perhaps 10 points or 20. Second. Wait for this candle to close. Yeah. Again, this is me, okay? This is me, the way I... You know, all of us has our own personality. We have to find it and see if we can incorporate that to our trading. You know, like I said before, I think I might say it before. I'm the type of person that I don't want to see that I was in profit and then allow it to go against me and am in the red and things like that. It's very, very difficult for me to cope with that. So I know my weakness. I know that I will not. I don't feel good when the trade goes against me, and then I identify that. So see, that's why I got out so fast, because it's really hurt me in terms of mentally to allow the trade to go against me, and sit on it for like 10 point or 15 point in the red, make me really feel really bad and really drain my mentally and psychologies and that. So, and knowing that knowing my weakness, I vow not to put myself in that kind of situations. That's why a lot of times you go, why don't you wait to sit on the trade a little bit longer? That's beside the point. The point is that I don't want to put myself in that kind of situation. My personality, that is my personality, my personal stuff. So we have to identify that. So slow, I don't like it. Risk free trade, let go. I don't like it. I don't feel good when sees break that and trying to come back. I got out with 10 points. I mean 5 points. I mean $5 loss on that with that trade. I would rather take a $5 hit instead of 20, 30, 40 times 6. Yeah, my point is this, okay? It's not about me, okay? The reason I got on YouTube is because I want to share my journey. At the same time, I hope that we all can learn from my mistake and see if you can incorporate some of my ideas to yours. Not 100% though, I mean, not no doubt. You know, incorporate and from my mistake and learn from my mistake and incorporate that and see if you can improve your trades. That's awesome. I'm super, you know, happy if you guys can do that. But I'm in no way to be here to trying to teach you and things like that. I'm just sharing my journey, you know, and hopefully that again learn from my mistake and my winning and things like that, and see if you can incorporate some of those ideas and see if you can improve your trade. And yeah, that's the purpose of me being on YouTube. Again, man, it's really a lot of pressure to be on YouTube, to be honest with you, man. It's hard. It's hard. And you're not making anything from YouTube. You know, I don't know what why I'm on YouTube sometimes, but I go, stick with my plan. My plan is to share my journey and perhaps meet some of you. I meet some of the trader, man. I can't imagine that I have some awesome trader that hang out with me, and perhaps, I mean, we are friends now, even though virtual friends, but like family to me. So that's one of the reasons why I keep, you know, doing what I'm doing right now on YouTube. I meet some of the motivative and successful and disciplined trader that I can learn from. Yeah. Especially Crystal, I meet him, even though every day he just saying, I lose money, but I value his input. The market want to go up, you guys. Up here I'm watching 75. We go back to 75 again. Remember when we first started, I said 75 is our resistance level. We are coming to that point right now, that level right now, 75. We're at 69 right now. Yeah. I guess we have to take it slow, I guess. One candle at a time. 5 points at a time. Wow, push through. Wow, we tested the high of the day again. Crazy, huh? You think YouTube is my business? My business? I doubt that. No, I love YouTube. Man, if YouTube is my business, I have to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, California time, to be on YouTube. Who are you talking to? I don't know, Crystal. I'm talking to myself, man. Half of the most of the time I'm talking to myself. Yep, I talk to myself a lot. Not even on YouTube. Sometimes I talk to myself. I sit around and talk to myself. What are you doing, man? How are you gonna accomplish this? How are you gonna do this? How you solve this problem? Talking to myself all the time. How you solve this problem, man? Even the shower, man, I talk to myself. How me solving the problem? Oh, no, 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 no. My stop loss in place, take profit in place. Now I'm waiting. Here we go. Oh, come on. Come on. No luck, man. What the hell? I don't know, man. No luck. I thought she went, so I moved my stop loss to break even. No, not a break even. $15. It's like 2 points. Don't believe it, man. No luck. Okay, I would rather break even than to come back 10 points on me. But again, remember, I'm trading 6 accounts at the same time, so. It's hard to tell, huh, Crystal? Very tough to tell, man. See, that's why I moved my stop loss so quickly. Because of this. See, look at this here. One day I will hit that home run, right? Just trail my take profit and stop loss to protect my profit. One day I will catch that 50 points move. But until then, I'll trail it very, very tight. Not to give anything back. Not to messing around, discipline. Stick with my plan. But that day will come. But for now, 5 points, 10 points, 15 points. That's all I want. Look like we're going to break, you guys. Look like we're going to break. Or not. One day. Man, too slow today. Huh? Nobody's here. Only me and Crystal today. Crystal and I here today. Nobody's here. That's okay, Krista. They want to leave me alone so I can trade. I appreciate that, you guys. How you guys doing, man? Just pop on the chat and say hello to something, man. Kinda, so I know that you guys here. Man, just pop on and just say hello. It doesn't cost you anything. Pop on and say hello, man. Crystal and I not going to bite. Just pop on, just hello. Trading can be very boring, man. I made a total of 3 trades today. 2 winning and 1 lose. $5. Go Ian. No, I used to do that, man. But I'm not worried too much about that, man. I try not to be reckless, man. Reckless, very dangerous. Are we testing that 80 again? Go through the 75, go to 80 again. Oh, here she goes. Wow, that's 10 points. Focus. Don't take me out. Man, don't believe it. $10. What? Yeah. So basically, our 75 still are resistance level up here. 75, 72. I don't know. I'm waiting for it to break that 61, 60 level. $30. Man, I have to wait for this candle to close to take a trade. To take the trade, either got close below that 60 or above that 60 for me to make my decisions. I'm waiting. There's no rush. Yep, waiting is the key. Patient. he'll come back to 68 again. Waiting. Yeah, like I said, my hard stop is like 10-15 points, but I usually get out before that, and my take profit is about 10-15 points, and again I'll trail my stop loss and take profit when I'm in the trade. That is my strategy, and I will take trades based on the support and resistance level that I drew out on my chart. Look like we hold at 60. Wow, look like a long to me, you guys. 68. But again, if we go along 68, 70s, up like 10 points to the top, I don't know. It's too much risk that I'm taking to go back to the 75 again. Not even 10 points. So I would rather sit here and wait. I will not chase this long. I will not chase this candles here, because look at, if it go to 75, what, 8.9 point. Even it go to 80, it's like 10 points, right? 60, 70, 80, it's just like 7 points, but we're risking too much. You know, she can go back, drop it back down, and go all the way down to the VWAP. So I don't know. The upside is not, in my opinions, it's not much of benefit to go long right now, to chase that candle to me. But again, I'm wrong all the time. That is my thought process. We're looking at 72, 72 hold or not. You guys see what I'm saying? I mean, but again, we'll see. Yeah, we are stuck in that in this price range right now, 75 and 60, 15 points price range right now. So stay out, stay away. Watching for that 68 to hold though. If it breaks that 68, we might have a chance to go to what, 60 or lower. Yeah, it's super tight, man. Super tight. You see what I was saying? The risk is too much to chase that green candle. And here the downside, we can go to what, 850? 10 points. I don't know, you guys. Wow. Wow, just broke that up. 62.60. Are we testing the 844 again? 845 again? $62 has to hold. Above to go long, and below perhaps go short, but has to hold. New candle. Hey Jonah, how are you? Thank you for saying hi to me. Thank you. Kinda cool that you guys can stop by and say hello. Just hello and go. Kinda nice. Thank you. Stopping by and say hello. Waiting. 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 Let me look at the 15 minutes and see how it look like. Okay. 60. What? Okay. I'm watching for the 60 to hold. 16 second. My stop loss in place. Take profit in place. I have to admit, I was rushing that trade, that's for sure. Rushing this trade. But hopefully it'll work out for me. I'm really patient with this trade, that's for sure. Come on. Give it to me, baby. Hey, yeah. $40. I was super patient with the trade, but she doesn't want to go. I'm happy. No complaining. I'm happy. Trade really well today. Like I said, I'm walking to my office, not expecting too much. Just say to myself that do the best you can, man. Do the best you can. Just stick with your plan. That's my my plan. That was my plan. Walk into the office just saying, don't expect anything. Just watch the candle very closely. Stick with my plan. And you go from there. But to be honest with you guys, man, it's really worked out for me for the last couple of weeks. You know? Walk into the office, don't expect anything. Expect me to do my best. And it looks that I'm doing that. Really help. That's fine. You know, 5 points here, 2 points there, they all add up, especially when you trade multiple accounts at the same time. Yeah, a lot of you guys might say, hey, yeah, why you don't stick with your trade? But we don't know that, right? But maybe I stick with my stop loss and risking 3 or 4 points. Just let the trade plays out. But that time will come, not right now. Right now to get this done. But yeah, that time will come. In terms of put on some more risk on the table to catch a bigger move. That time will come. I'm aware of that. So don't tell me that I'm blindly not. I will make changes, that's for sure. But I really want to stick with my plan. Allow it to work. But when that time comes, I will make some small adjustment to make my strategy better, trade better. That time will come. Anyway, what time is it? 21. Wow, time fly. Do you stream every day? Yes, every day, Jonah. Every day at 11:30. But you know what? I'm in the process of upgrading my streaming and trading and all that right now. I moved back to my Mac. But until then, I will start trading in the morning too, because I got paying members complaining with me saying, I've been paying have a membership to your channel and I expect you to trade in the morning, member only, and things like that. They've been complaining. I go, well, I'm sorry, man, but I'm working on it. But yeah, I will trade in the morning, but perhaps maybe member only in terms of chatting. But yeah, I will do. I'm planning to do in the morning for an hour and a half, and then market close for an hour and a half. So market open for an hour and a half, and market close for an hour and a half. So within this week for sure. Yeah, like I said, I'm upgrading my streaming and all that right now. I mean, you know, right now I'm trading on my with my Windows. It's very, very powerful, but it makes so much noise and I kind of annoying. I hate it. It's like the fans that kick in because I got so many things going on. I hook up my camera right here, my big cameras up here, the Sony A7 III, hook up to my PC and a whole bunch of programs running, streaming and recording at the same time and all that. So and then for that the fan just kick in and making so much noise to put that kind of power that I need. Yeah, but I'm working on moving everything over to the Mac. Man, the Mac is so quiet. I got myself a Mac Mini. And it's so quiet and everything, so I'm testing that out. But this week for sure, I'm going to be trading in the morning as well. I'm trading NQ, not MMQ. And you can see that I trade 6 contracts for 6 accounts, 1 contract per account. I'm doing trade copying, 6 accounts at the same time. Yep, 6 accounts at the same time. So I'm trading NQ, not MMQ. MNQ. That's okay, you guys. You guys don't have to sign up for member or anything like that. You know, kind of, I don't like it. I love YouTube, but you know, every time you guys sign up or whatever, they take 40% off of the whatever you pay. So whatever, big deal, you know. But like I said, my intention, you know already. You know, I want all of us to become a family, so we all can. Yeah, but yep, YouTube charge, man, 40 or 50% off of the membership fee that I received, so no big deal. But that's okay. I love YouTube. I don't have to pay YouTube to be here, so that's the plus. Yep, you should, Jonah. You know, if you do MNQ, you can do, if you feel confident, you can do 5 at NQ, you know? You don't have to go 1 NQ, you know? You can do 5, 3, 4, you know? And then if you think that you'll remaster your strategy, then you can go more, you know, like 7 contract. Oh wow, I was going to take that trade. It just stay above that 50. But again, it's only 5 point though. This is not. Yeah. Yeah, I was watching for that 50. Down here I'm watching for 40, 45 to hold. It looks whole, and then I was going to take that trade, and I did not take that trade. That yes, obviously. I would take that trade, my stop like 44, 45, risking like 5 points, something like that, to make like at least 5 or 10 points. And again, up here we're watching 60, 61, 62. See if 61, 62's hold. That is our resistance level. You see, it went all the way up to what, 60? And the seller step in and push it back down again. Look at the 15 minutes, how does that look like? Again, 60 is our resistance level, 60. 50 and a half, 59 and a half, 60. Okay. Watch for that 60 resistance level. If we go to 60, we can go 75 and that. Okay. 60. Watch for 60. If it break that 60 and stay above that 60, I go long. But it has to stay above that 60 for a few seconds. If I see some more price actions, I'll go long, but it has to go through that 60. Or perhaps the 60s is good to go short too. So either way, long or short at 60. Yeah, we're stuck in this kind of price range right now. 60 and 50. $50. 30 seconds for this candle to close. I'm not in a rush to chase this red candle right now. No hurry. No chasing. I want this candle to close and see if it closes above the 50 or below the 50. Make the decisions. Long or short. 14 seconds. Seven seconds. Above or below? Below. Above or below? Not sure. Man, if she push it back hard above that 50, not a bad idea to take a long and very tight stop loss. Let go. And you go now. Oh, I trailed it really tight. 30 bucks. What the? That's okay. 30 times 7 though, times 6. Remember that. I'm glad that I got out though. It's very tight, you guys. I mean, very tight price range, so we have to play with what the market can give us, right? The market doesn't want to give it to you, so you have to accept that, right? So if the market is super tight, then you have to play that game, right? That's the reason why I moved. Like I said, I'm the type of the trader that I hate to see the trade went against me when I was in the green and did not take it. So I like I said, that is my weakness, and I know that. So that's why I got out very quickly. Even though 30 bucks, 50 bucks, I'm grateful. But I don't like the idea of giving them all back plus some, you know. So the bottom line is, you have to identify who you are and your personality, and trying to cope with that, and see if you can incorporate that to your trading. Perhaps You'll be very successful. That's for sure. Dun, dun, dun. Hey man, money's money, right? So it's hard to trade, that's for sure, man. Up and down 10 points. I thought she's going to go at the minimum to the next resistance level at 59.60. That's why I moved my take profit up there. But nope, it just doesn't want to have anything to do with that. So I guess me get out. $30 times 6. Yeah, look like 50 hole, you guys. Look at it, touched that 50. Now she go to the next resistance level at 60. Sometimes a little bit early, but who knows, right? We don't know that if we are early or not early, right? So do the best we can. Do the best we can, you guys. Yeah, I'm taking slow, you guys. I'm taking slow. But you know what? To be honest with you guys, man, I'm super grateful. You know, I'm super grateful that you guys look at me. I have 904 subscriber. You know, 904 subscriber. Man, so super grateful, you guys. I remember the first day that no, not the first day. The first month that I streamed to streaming nobody. Nobody watching. And I told my wife, hey man, come and watch my channel. It's kind of zero watching. And then 0 subscriber, you know. Now I have 904. I'm super grateful, you guys. Imagine me with 904 subscribers, you know. I'm super grateful, man. Super grateful. But you know, I hope that by the end of this month I have 1,000 subscribers from YouTube. That would be a big accomplishment to me. Yep, imagine I have 1,000 subscribers. I know. Hey man, it's kind of. I know. Like I said, I love YouTube. That for sure, man. This is my almost like me journaling all my trades every day. You know, I'm super grateful that YouTube give me this kind of opportunity to do it for free. You know, I document all my trades and I go back. Believe it or not, I go back almost every night to listen what I'm saying. Sometimes I go, you really say that? Or you really behave that way? Or you really trade like that? Believe me, I go back every night before I go to bed, right? You know how you're in bed, you're still checking your YouTube and things like that. I watch almost every recording on YouTube that I learned from that. You really say that? Oh, you shouldn't say that. Or you should calm yourself down. But this is how you should, you know. But I'm learning. Like I said, I'm learning here still, and I vow to myself that I will do everything in my power to make some changes, make corrections, to be a better person on YouTube. Is that to be the better trader? No, a better trader on YouTube, and provide as much as value on YouTube so that we all can learn from that. Even me, I learn from my trade too. So hopefully that I give you guys some kind of value. You know, that's my purpose, and that is my. Yeah, but yeah, like it's, believe me, I go back every night. You really say that? Hey man, come on, stop, slow down. Or you really took that trade? I don't know about that, you know. So Yeah, kind of cool that it broke that 50 again. I don't know, man. She might want to go lower. Jonah, why? What do you mean? Sorry, I didn't get that. What for that 50 to hold? That's our resistance level now. 50. I don't know, very tempting to go short, but you don't want to short at this level. Look at this here. Been holding for the last what? Since, I don't know, break that view up, man. It's very tempting to go short, but I don't know why I don't know if I want to go short now. Chasing that candle now. Man, I hate to chase that candle. But she can go all the way down to what, 810, 800. 40 points from here. Hate to chase it now, man. I hate to chase it. Yep, that's why I'm waiting. I'm ahead of the game, so there's no rush, right? No rush. I'm ahead of the game. But if I take a short, I get out very, very quickly. 2-3 point max. You know, to chase that candle, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Look at, let's hold this level. Let me look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, she might go to 30. It's only what, 15 points from here. $40. And 30. Man, see if it break that 40. Yep, she has to break that 40 to go lower. Like I said, I might take a short, but my stop is like I get out very, very quickly. But waiting is key. No rush. He can go back. Oh, it broke that 40. I don't want to chase it. Man, she can push it back to 60, so I'm watch for that too. 40 has to hold. 39.40 has to hold. Yeah, if I miss the short, then be it. I don't know, man. If I miss, it's fine. But again, she might push all the way to 60, back to 60 again. Waiting for this candle to close. $45. I'm waiting for this candle to close. Not for sure. Down here, I'm watching for 40. See, right now, my thought process is to go long and go short. Not knowing if I... So, we are trading in this price, very, very tight price range right now. If she break it hard. at the minimum 10 points up or down. So I don't know if I don't know, but I have not made the decision yet. Long or short. Broke that 40. Might go all the way down to 30. But like I said, I'm not going to chase it. That's for sure. I'm not going to chase it. $15 seconds for this candle to close. I really want her to go back and retest in that 40 again, 39 again, and see how that goes before this candle close, and see how the new candle look like. Yeah, looked really negative. I don't know. I don't want to chase it. Yeah, the VWAP is 32. Nope, I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to go short.
Great Hanuman's strength of wind. And we chant to you.
To be honest, right now I'm looking for a long setup. I want her to go back and push through that 40. And so,
Yes, we call your name.
but until then, I'm waiting. I don't want to go short right now.
We come with
chasing it.
chants in our hearts, echoing the sacred hymns and verses.
Wow, that's crazy, man.
In devotion's mighty tide, grace and mercy by my side. Each syllable a sacred plea. In the sun's early glow, I'm free.
I want her to go back to that 40 again.
Spirit clears, embracing love, his name adheres. Ah. Echoes rise, the morning star. In each note, the truths that scar. Mantras hum a timeless sound, where his presence is profound. The heart unfolds, the soul adheres. With every chant, his grace appears.
Yeah, it's very tough to justify by go long.
Verse after
Very
verse,
hard to justify
his name
taking along.
Bhakti, pure devotion,
25.
whispers to the cosmos soar, as Hanuman brings strength to the fore. In his love, fears disappear. Chanting on, the path is clear. The dawn breaks through the morning's hue. To Hanuman, we sing anew. His courage flows in every line.
Ah,
In every heart, his virtues shine.
we are holding at 30.
Ancient words, they rise and fall. In every moment, to him we call. Almighty One, with mace in hand, bringer of strength to this very land. Tales of valor, whispered breeze. Through
Wow,
the
12:48. 2 more minutes for MOC. Okay, I'm gonna stay out for the next 2 minutes. I'm not going to rush it in. Nope, no. I'm gonna stay out for 2 minutes.
It opens doors.
I don't care. I'm gonna sit on my hand for the next 2 minutes. MOC in 2 minutes. Kinda gambling, but I don't know, but I really want to stay out, you guys, because he can pop or drop 10 points and take all my profit, man. This is my hard work for today. I don't want to make one mistake and wipe out all my profit of all of my 6 accounts. No, I'm not going to do that for sure. That's crazy. Nope, I'm going to stay out for the next 2 minutes. I mean, 1 minute. I'm going to stay out. I say that, but a lot of time it's too good to be true, so I just take the trade. It can wipe me out. It can wipe me out within 30 seconds. So, it's hard. Hey, Flo. How's it going, friend? How's it going, friend? Man, I'd really want to take that long, man. I'd really want to take that long, but I don't want to do that. MOC, man. She can pop 10 or drop 10. Look at that. It's not even 10. Did I say I want to take long? It's built up for that, right? But again, that's fine. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my decisions. I wouldn't say happy, but look at that push, man. He pushed, what, 20 points? Not the risk. Thank you, Flo. Appreciate you saying that. Crazy, man. But again, sometimes it's not about one trade. It's not about making a whole bunch of money with one trade. It's about multiple winning trade, multiple trade that you landed, right? So that's what I'm saying. It's not about one lucky trade. As a trader, I don't want to be a lucky man or lucky trader, you know? I want to be rewarded with my plan, rewarded my risk management, rewarded with my discipline, you know? But yeah, of course, I want luck. Everybody want luck. But, you know, we do this every day and trade after trade and after trade. Of course, I love to have luck, but sometimes leave luck out of it. Stick with my plan, trade my plan, risk management, discipline. Yeah. 9 more minutes to go. Yeah, this is good day. Dun, 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 dun. How's it go, Flo? How are you? How are you today? You take any trade at all today? How are you, friend? Yeah, God is great. Yeah, the next 8 minutes, 7 minutes. If I don't see anything, then I'm not going to take it. The resistance level up here that came all the way to 59 instead of 60 and push it back down again. You can't make this up, man. All my support and resistance level. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, here we go. What the? Where are we? 50? Wow, that's a beautiful shot, you guys. Wow, that's a beautiful shot. Okay, let me focus. Maybe one more trade before we call it the day. Maybe one more trade, huh? Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that shot, man. That's beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. See if 25 hold or not. It looks like it wants to hold it set 25. See it break that 25. If it breaks that 25, we might go lower, but I don't know. 25 might hold, so we'll see. Wow, 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 wow. Don't break that 25 or not? 1, 2, 3. 3 times now. Oh, yeah. Just broke it. Push it back up again. He has to come below that 25 and sweep everybody out of that. Out of that stop loss. And maybe perhaps push it back up again. Yep. Everybody. Oh! See what I'm saying? Went down here and swept everybody out. Take all the stop loss out and push it back up again. Man, you can't make this up, man. You can't make this up. You know, we all know that she has to hold with 25 and she push it down, take everybody out below that 25 and then stay up above that 25 and push it back up again. Can't make that up, man. Look. She will come up here and stuck at 850 and come up really fast and take everybody out above that 850 and then go back down again. Is that crazy? Okay, Flo. We'll see you tomorrow. Yep, 4 more minutes to go. I might take another trade, that's for sure. I might take another trade. I might take one more trade. Yeah, remember what I've been saying? The last 10 minutes is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. The last 10 minutes. It's almost like gambling sometimes. So that's why I'm not too aggressive or... Yeah. Yep, the last 5 and the last 10 and the last 5 minutes is very, very, very... We don't know what's going on. There's no... Yeah, I think I was lucky. Yesterday I activated one of those C8 account, the one I passed. It's only $100 now today because of the 80% sales again, and they charge $140 to activate the account. So I saved myself $40. So the thing is this: I'm not in a hurry to activate or to pass any account. You know, I mean to activate any account if I pass them. I wait until it's not go on sales anymore. That when Apex drop their activate account activation fee, lifetime annual lifetime activation fee from $140 to $100 with that 50K account. So I'm waiting. And you can see my top 2 account. I'm only $52 away from passing those 2 accounts too. But then I'm no hurry to pass those 2 accounts for another $52. Like I said, I'm to keep trading, and then whenever they not go on sales anymore, that when they discounted the activation fee. So basically $40 off, like almost like 50% off or something like that, or 40% off of the lifetime activation fee when they're not on sale. A minute and a half to go, you guys. Wow, look like we're going to go 800. I don't know, man. We might go to 800, man. What time is it? 59. It might go to 800 and push back up again. I don't know. Look that way. Yeah. Who knows? Nope. Has to push it back up. Push it back up. Wow, 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 wow. 800? Are we talking about 800 now? I'm done. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you for coming by, and thank you, everyone. Super grateful for new subscriber today. I got, what, 3 more new subscriber today. I'm super grateful. And I am, wow. Did I say 800? They might go all the way to 800. That's for sure. Anyway, thank you so much once again. And we'll see you tomorrow. Mañana. Thank you, everyone. Where are we? Where are we? Yep. Have a good night, you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Wow, 800. What did I say? 800. Touch the 800. Too bad I did not take the trade. Hey. Yeah, I know 800. Who knows? I did not take the trade, so I cannot take the credit. So if I take the trade, man, I scream out for my credit. Okie dokie, Flo. Thank you, you guys. See you tomorrow. I'm off for sure. No more trading. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good night.